A deep, authoritative, and engaging evening drive, but suddenly turns into a nightmare. You lose control, and in a split second, your car plunges into deep, cold water. As the world goes dark and silent, panic begins to rise. Your first instinct is to push the door open. You push with all your strength, but it won't budge. You are trapped by thousands of pounds of water pressure, holding that door shut. This is the moment where every second counts. You have less than 1 minute to act. Forget the door. It is now your enemy. Instead, you must remember 3 simple letters. S.W.O. First, S. Seatbelts off. Unbuckle yourself and everyone else immediately. If the buckle is stuck, don't waste time. Cut it. Next, W. Windows open. You must roll them down before the water short-circuits the electronics. If they won't open, don't hit the windshield. It's too strong. Reach for your headrest, pull it out, and use the metal spikes to smash the corner of the side window. Finally, O. Out. Follow the air bubbles and swim through the window to the surface. 1 minute is all it takes to change your fate. Most people don't know this, and that's why they don't make it. But now you know. Don't keep this secret. Share this story. It's the one video that could truly save a life today.